Itungalwa chamuta ipo chukezde jasa ititingana rimudun kichene jai Ajore tetere imeda uneta nede japugan. Anyona gionorella paloso dito karukalo nepeta imudun itomna kanya pe mnyeside Nyakun Ottomano district na lomoroto nepeka kabong.
Recently, the Joint Security Forces have witnessed a number of recovered guns, both voluntarily and forcefully. And as we can see, we continue to receive them from the Wananchi, the Karachunas, the willing Karachunas, through the leadership. Overall, 16 guns and 93 rounds of ammunition have been recovered, both forcefully and voluntarily. Moroto district being on top with 5 voluntarily recovered guns, and other districts like Karenga and Kabong follow.
We work closely with the forces so that these illegal guns are disarmed from the hands of the community or the citizens.
We have the commanders which are in the detaches like Luktuk, Nadunye, we have in Napu. So we need to cooperate with those commanders. When any problem is there, we need to share with them. And we also follow these people slowly by slowly. If we talk to these people slowly, we shall recover more guns.
Ikulepe kimudunu lukizde baka sebe achamutukesa ititingar naro buda kwapo didingi kikisi.
Iya tomna ete wonga ginenguna kaka kwa andang. Ana ngon tama ebtala yagara kay beren mampe boye jok ayya katime ngole gina yokara dian tama ori kiti adama ko ete ngedagla ete hadom gua kira adama nyepe dori berenya agto yaraya qori agto yakaw kidingi ngatungaluche abune nyakaton
ane bena tamario unita parejon atama ya miakira ya berena bukan ngakariya munayam ngakari ayo ngakro ka bukan tama gimekene nyaka
Apotoda ikiota imonyo kechebe ichebo kintate kiringina katepe nada iboyo kuju Mount Moroto akoko enene kesi iboreda inaiti tunga omomo negwele timudun ebanuda yuara.
Yeah, around 6 August up to the same up to now. Even the other day they raided this side called Murara. They have gone with cows, and now no one has followed. So now the tepes are part of the Madeniko. They are Upper Madeniko and these ones are down Madeniko. We have one district. So we don't know really why we are fighting ourselves alone, when yet we are one.
When there is any kind of raid, I also appeal that the security should follow it to the dot, because once a person loses his property or his animals, it keeps on disturbing his mind where to earn a living.
Konyajure nyezde bale bem tupurutuke si potoloi kanoda ikama ngunero ngakwese gogong ay toli tunga iboyete.
Conducting the cordon and search operation in the Hile sub-counties of Katikikle and Rupa Moroto district. These mountainous areas have got specific black spots and heights out and corridors, which these cattle rustlers take advantage as a safe haven. So our forces are on ground, operation is ongoing, and we expect fruitful strides from this operation.
Godfred Eyoko, TV East, Ikaramoja.